here, I would cut. See this little guy coming off?
Yeah.
I would cut right here. Can you
Yep.
see this?
Yep.
There.
Yeah.
And then just let him come and get rid of this.
Yep.
Because that's your kitchen window. I would honestly, if it were me, I'd move some of these leaves to let the moss come up.
Now.
But anytime.
Okay.
But I would do heuchera. Okay. I would do some maiden hair ferns.
Nice.
Maybe some other ferns, painted leaf or something else. Try a stilby. Try brunnera. Maybe some Jaocb's ladder. Maybe some Solomon seal. That might be too much. And just have this be a really nice little area in here, and then you'll be able to enjoy it from the inside.
Nice.